Good morning, class. I'm going to show you provide for you a brief video on how to find your article using LIRN or LIRN or ProQuest. So here's your discussion for Module 2, Discussion 2. We want you to read this article. To locate it in LIRN, you would copy and paste. You can do the author, the title, or I'm going to do both. So I'm going to do Control C, copy and paste it. Then I'm going over to my home page, and on the left side of my home page is where the library is listed. So click on the library. In the past, you needed a password. You do not need a password anymore. I'm choosing health and medical because that will narrow down my search of databases. And I find nursing and allied health database is a quick and easy way to find most of your articles. You can also use ProQuest Central, but this also has ProQuest in it. So I'm clicking on the nursing and allied health and databases. In the search, I'm going to put my title. I'm going to put full text in because I need to read the whole article. Click on search, and there's my article right at the top. I'm going to open it up. And here is a look at the article, and it has the full text in it. If you find that that is hard to read, you can download the PDF, which is a little bit user-friendly, and then it will look like it's actually from the Nursing Journal. So that is how you go about finding this article. You can save this to your computer so that you have it, or you could print it. Either way, you will have the article for your benefit for discussion 2. Please let me know if you have any questions.